What is good, guys? Blake TV back, and today we're getting right into my first ever official self-explore the roleplay server. We're in the VC right now, and there's everyone joining. I'm just gonna smack right into us and just see what's up. I'm gonna undeafen in the Discord.
I work 7 to 4, 5 days a week.
Yeah, you see, Cone? That image reflects badly on you more than it does me. You see what?
Glitch out. You looking?
No.
Look.
Hold on. I gotta let these I gotta let these nice people.
No business being that
I
funny.
gotta let these people go.
We're just cruising right now, trying to fit in with everyone.
Uh-oh. Hey, Hank.
Just figuring out the whole,
And they yelled.
like.
What are you guys doing in here?
I'm colorblind.
Figuring it out.
Right. Okay, bye.
Wait, did I not just announce that everyone could go?
God damn.
Am I like schizophrenic? No, I didn't.
Yes.
My fault. My fault. Let me try this again. There we go.
Oh damn, I was not looking. I ran that red light right in front of that car, I didn't even mean to.
Okay. Everyone has been released.
So what I really like about this car is like the sound of it, it's real low.
Ain't no way. This dude's
dude's
gotta be
good life, buddy.
intoxicated.
Yo.
I'm about to give out a DUI. Alright.
No way.
I'm going on TikTok.
This is why you are the way.
What is this car?
Oh, he's just getting banned. He's running. I'm gonna let him.
Wait,
I'm not
who is
gonna
it?
ban
Who
him
is
yet.
it?
I'm not banning him yet. I'm waiting. I'm waiting because I want him to FRP speed so I can just give him more strikes.
Damn.
He just got on a bike.
Bro, about to get 4 strikes.
He's literally just gonna get outright banned. Oh, he fell off his.
Wait, nah. Where is this, bro? I gotta pull up.
Watch this.
I gotta pull
Watch
up.
this.
I'm about to. Hold on, let me tag along in the chase.
I'm just gonna. This is hilarious, dude. This dude in the VC. His name is The Fox.
The Fox. There's what display?
I don't know.
Oh god damn.
I'm running him over. Oh. Oh my god.
Oh wait, Swap, put on track. What is his name?
Oh, his display name is literally the same.
Body to work. I feel like there's 2 Trackhawks. I mean, TRXs. At least one of them does not have BVE.
A little tune of my car real quick.
Oh my god, bro has so many alt accounts.
Suspension. Wait, no, camber. My camber's way out of pocket. I'm gonna chuck that down to 35. Now, offset that.
It's disturbing. It's 2 fucking squatted TRXs.
Make sure that fitment's on point.
She was hilarious.
I don't know what job I should do, like... You have a ton of people in here, that's a good thing. I cannot tell if that light's green or red, so I'm just gonna... God damn! This
Oh
car's
no,
not
that's a
good for
real
drifting.
account that he played on. Of achievements. And it's old.
Feel this.
They just think he's like PS4 son, probably.
Star block, yo. Star block's open. Let's go get a fucking feed, why don't we? Okay, I'm just on my way now to grab some Star blocks. That guy's lagging.
Thing.
Alright, Gaming, come here. Gaming, come here. We gotta do something.
What?
Why is everybody going to the fucking drive-thru? Somebody come in.
Drive through what?
They don't want to talk to you. Or they
Block.
don't want to get out of their cars.
Yeah, we wait.
Nah,
Yo,
that's Star block.
Can I
Wanna
get
get in my car?
fucking authorization to kill anybody that comes in and asks for like 500 or something?
Wow. Okay, buddy. That's a bit extreme, don't you think?
It happened. Can I get a gun then?
Did you just fly away from you?
Scuzz bushwhacking it.
What?
SWAT. That's what SWAT's doing.
Just getting a coffee right now.
Hold on, let me find a gun for you, Jonathan.
Oh, he being dead out.
You want some coffee to sell? You want the latte?
Okay.
Bro, this car sounds so
I
stupid
also
when
wanna-
when you
I also want to
disable
fucking
cruise
blow up
control.
DJ's car.
We're back.
Yeah, this car sounds so dumb when you disable cruise control. Like literally,
Hey,
you can be in ninth gear at 55 miles per hour, and if I tap the brake, it puts it in second gear. So
You look
literally
like a
just
ninth
like
gear.
it just drops 7 gears because it doesn't have the ability to skip.
Loki, you should like fucking give me a rocket launcher so I can blow DJ.
Wait, stand on top of my head real quick.
And the lattes.
Wait, what? Why don't I have... Wait, shit. I might have fell through the floor or something. Oh, I'll get another
Are
one.
you 10-8 right now?
Come outside.
What the fuck is it?
Right here. It's who 10-8.
Were you just gonna go around doing skids? Maybe there's skid spots or drift spots. And
Like,
hopefully not get
lunch
caught.
for real.
Are any of y'all 10-8 right now?
No.
Yeah, what's up? I'm just giving
Hey,
Karma
can I have,
shit.
can you come to the Fendai Bridge?
Uh-oh. Alright. Straight like that.
God, Jesus.
Get your guys.
Gotta get this car washed. Get it all cleaned up.
But I don't want to rust them. It's boring rusting them.
Interactive stuff about that, not what.
Hey, go ahead and just write them their tickets. I think just combine the ticket together.
No, you better write the ticket. Tell them that because
My bad.
I didn't feel bad.
What?
Oh, I saw a fucking explosion. Who's exploding over there?
Why are you whipping that?
I'm
God
exploding.
Alright,
Wait, why did they kill
I
you
don't
and
know.
not them?
I
What?
guess you have to deal with the traffic stop.
No, why'd they kill you
This
and
guy
not
thinks
them?
he's in no
You guys
heavy.
were you guys not at the same place? What the hell?
What is this guy doing takeover in the main intersection? Dude can't even swing. This dude can't swing.
You can tell that the vehicles are getting
You talking about me, bro?
Is he still there?
Hey, can I get a tap to my location?
Oh, turbo jumped.
What? He killed himself? It's
Yep.
not that serious. man.
Yeah.
I mean,
Jonathan, I'll
he
consider that
jumped.
I'll consider that like a phone call to police. Do you have a vehicle description?
It's a fucking yellow S15.
God damn,
keep
he's
an eye out.
snitching, bro. He's snitching.
I
Here's
don't
what,
know. what
here's
the
what, you
fuck
want one of
it's
these? Here.
Do you know where it's at relative to you?
For repossessions.
like. It was at the main
think it went under your
intersection,
tire.
then he turned, right?
Stop.
Oh, I got you.
I could go try and find it and talk to him, like stall.
Yeah, just make
Oh
another
yeah, it's
call
at the
and
main
find it.
intersection.
Is he swinging it?
It's at the main intersection. No, he's not swinging it, but I see him.
Yeah, I see him too. I'll
Drop it on like the concrete thing.
God damn, bro.
Just watch from somewhere.
They snitching so hard right now.
Some kid passed me, said
I'm
fuck
not
the
gonna
government, and then took off.
F the government. Oh yeah, they. Yeah, we should pull this guy over for I don't
Dude, I'll
know.
give you a fucking car. I'm down.
His
How's
splitter
this
was over the
bullshit?
limit line.
I got it.
Is
Oh my
this guy
god.
drunk?
Oh my god, drunk driving.
I think he's trying to get pulled over. No, when I lie.
Drunk driving?
Alright, unsafe lane change.
Failure to maintain lane.
Driving
Possible.
under the influence.
I'm just gonna cruise around and I
Bro,
can't
why is
run
that guy's
this
name
pace times on,
3.6 GPA?
but I'll try not
He's
to.
lying.
Bro's proud of his 3.6 GPA.
He's lying though. But yeah, my hair got blown off in that explosion. And my glasses.
Remember that one time when everybody was forced to get buzz cut?
I think that's the cop right there.
see that yellow S15. I'm just gonna keep an eye out. See what he does.
Yeah, bro, take these fucking Pink Flamingo USA.
I don't think that. What's this guy talking about?
Alright, I'm gonna go.
Never mind, there's nobody around.
No, bottle.
Holy
Wait,
what
hold on,
the?
wait.
It's too late.
I was fucking turning.
It over.
Yeah.
Okay, now they're looking out for me now, eh? I can't get caught. I want to get pulled over, not in this car. I ain't trying to get
So who's
stuff
with the
shut.
fucking... Is that a fucking pilot?
Sorry, what?
Oh, is there like blue over there?
I don't know
You
what
just-
the
you
hell.
see a
He actually
Hilux?
got his head blown up. Fucking, yeah, Toyota truck. Do they even have those?
Are you laughing at my injuries?
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it. Don't be my car. Yeah, this Altima's being an idiot. I think I have to go do something about it.
Jesus. I'm
Yeah,
not the
he's
best
just
driver,
like-
I'll tell you that.
Hopping curbs for no reason.
I'm gonna be selling these fucking pumpkin spice
What the heck, SWAT? Are you not going to include a vehicle?
Fuck that.
Can you make an announcement?
It's also unregistered.
It doesn't
So we
matter
make
if
it
a
now.
vehicle's unregistered. You still have to at least
No way.
describe it.
Was that-
Just fill in the
no,
details
no
you
way.
know.
How did you
Vehicle.
not see me?
It's a vehicle.
I'm- Not
It's
me.
probably gaming.
Yeah, it was me.
It was probably gaming.
Let's go to the office. Go to the office.
Womp womp.
God. Oh damn. I fucked that up. Oh. God damn. He hustling that shit. Yo, I accidentally hit this guy. God damn. Oh. And that's the session over for me. I had to end that early. I had stuff to do IRL, but damn, luckily I got away with doing all those skids in that Sylvia. Didn't get chased by the cops or anything, didn't get pulled over. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. One of my first sessions on the actual official roleplay server for Southwest Florida. Definitely going to be pushing out more videos like that. Just watched over the clip till I'm adding this one at the end. Key clicks are still too loud. The ASMR is valid, but like, I'm going to try to fix that for next video. But I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Leave a like and comment if you want me to do more reviews or suggest on how I could improve myself. But other than that, it's going to be me out. Going to be having more videos up pretty soon. But thanks for watching. It's going to be Blake TV out.